Back to school can be so much fun when you've got a laser. There are just so many projects that you can make. Today I'm going to be showcasing 5 projects that you can make on your Falcon laser to make this year's school year really something special. So let's get started and make some really fantastic projects so that school is a bit more fun this year. Personalising a set of pencils for school is such a cute project because if you have an unusual name like mine where it is never in the shops, it's such a wonderful touch. So I'm going to show you how to engrave the pencils, not only with the settings, but also how to align the pencil so you get the perfect result every single time. Engraving pencils is really simple when you're using a jig. For this one, I have it set up on my camera, so I've got the alignment perfect, but I also would like to show you what to do if you've got one of the Falcon models that does not have the camera. I'm going to bring my laser to the home position. Now, because I've got my jig set up, I am going to highlight the section with the pencils in it, and I'm going to frame that manually. So I'm basically going to do the frame on the outside of the pencil so I can make sure that my alignment to my jig is perfect. Now it's difficult to see, but my red line is perfectly set up to go around those pencil lines absolutely perfectly. And there you have the perfect set of personalised pencils. The next back to school project is this library bag. So we're going to be doing a personalised leatherette patch, and I'm going to show you how to make that on your Falcon laser. For the leatherette patch, I've just popped it on a timber backboard just to keep the leather nice and flat while we do the engrave. I've now peeled off the backing on the leather patch, stuck it on the library bag, and I think you'll agree that's pretty cute. This my first day of or back to school board is such a cute idea. Using plywood and then also chalkboard paint, you can reuse it each year, and you can even personalise the top of it there with your child's name. Such a fantastic project that will last years and years and will be a beloved memory of each year that they start school. So let's make this one on the Falcon laser. How perfect is that? This back to school keyring, or even could be used as a bag tag, is such a great project. Using acrylic and plywood that I've painted, you can use any colours you'd like, and it's such a great way to not lose that bag or those keys. So let's make this one on the Falcon laser. For the keyring, I have here a paper coated piece of black acrylic, so I'm going to be cutting 2 pieces, one for the backing layer and then one for the top piece. So I have it all aligned on my camera and I'm ready to press start. Now I'm ready to cut the inside section of the keyring piece. So now I'm using this timber which has the adhesive backing on the back. Here we have the finished keyring or bag tag. So might be nice hanging from the side of a school bag, or alternatively popping a kid's keys on it so they don't lose them. But anyway, I think it's a gorgeous little project, and that's our keyring done. The last project in the back to school showcase is this gorgeous all timber bag. It literally is all made of timber, using 3mm and 5mm plywood sheets, and I've used just some stain and some acrylic paint pens to really give it a pop of colour. I think this one is just so fantastic that I think both kids and adults will love this project, using a living hinge as the movement, and even the straps have got so much movement in them using this living hinge design cut. So the file is available from CrealityFalcon, and let's make this one together. The bag is now fully assembled, so I'm going to add on these painted pieces, which are a gorgeous pop of colour. I've got double-sided adhesive on the back of them, so that will hold quite nicely. Putting it on, and you can see there it holds nice and tight, complete with its googly eyes. Bag is now all complete and put together. I've stained the timber plywood using a charcoal stain. I've used paint texture pens on these little wooden pieces on the side to give it a pop of colour. My daughter loves this one and she's already asked if this can be hers. So what colour will you make yours? Thank you for watching today. I hope you got something out of these 5 amazing projects for back to school. My name is Heidi. I am the Crafty Socialite on social media if you'd like to follow me for other projects. I'd really like to thank CrealityFalcon for sponsoring today's showcase and providing you with the materials that you need to make these projects. So thanks again for watching. Let me know how you go with your projects and what colour schemes and ideas you come up with yourself. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.